When you look at a balance sheet or your own savings, you might see the term cash equivalents. Let's break down what that actually means. At its core, this concept is about liquidity, which is just a fancy way of saying how quickly you can turn an asset into cash. To be considered a cash equivalent, an investment must be highly liquid and have a maturity date of 3 months or less. These are low-risk vehicles designed to preserve the principal amount while earning a small amount of interest compared to a standard checking account. While cash is literal paper or digital deposits, equivalents are financial instruments that act just like cash because they are so stable. As you can see, cash equivalents carry very little volatility risk, making them the safest place to park money you need in the short term. Remember that these are tools for safety, not for beating the market. They help protect your buying power against inflation while keeping funds accessible. Thanks for watching. Understanding these basics helps you manage your personal liquidity better. Like and subscribe for more finance explainers.